Good afternoon, I'm Carl Hassell, Group Director at NOCN. Just to give you a little bit of an insight to what NOCN is, so first and foremost we're a charity. So that kind of fits with CEME being a charity too. So we're able to work together. We have a board of trustees who really are focused on everything that we do having a social value. So being here today talking about green skills is why we're here, is why we've sponsored the event today. So what is NOCN? So NOCN is an awarding organisation. We have hundreds of thousands of learners on programme every year through a network of around 850 training providers throughout the UK, and they range from privately owned training providers through to colleges and universities, and a whole raft and suite of qualifications. We also work internationally in India, we work in Greece, we work in Italy, and we're trying to grow that market too. We work across a wide range of sectors. Our bread and butter for many years since an acquisition of C Skills has been in construction, and we're trying to diversify that model. Although, you know, we can make a real difference in construction with green skills. So we're working heavily in that construction sector in qualifications such as retrofit and greening and carbon reduction. So we work in manufacturing, we work in engineering, and we're going to base ourselves here and be a strategic partner with CEME, because what we want to do is develop more green qualifications in and around hydrogen, etc., etc. And it's really important that we're part of that journey and that we give all the sectors the relevant skills that they require to be able to put people into work, keep people into work, upskill people, and make sure that that pipeline of talent exists and is nurtured. So when we look at green skills, we've got three different ways of looking at the green skills, and that is light green, so quite light touch, so summer qualifications where we're going to have to factor in some green skills in the future, and then we've got all the way up to dark green, which is full green skills, hydrogen production. If we look at plant and equipment, someone mentioned JCB earlier on, so we're working with JCB on their skills, what they need to, one, produce the plant, the hydrogen plant, how they're going to refuel the plant, where they're going to get the hydrogen from. It's hydrogen combustion, really exciting. We're starting them talks in February, and we're really looking forward to working with them. So the qualifications that we currently offer are far and wide really, but we really want to focus our energy on green skills. So an example is or NOCN sit on something called the Construction Supply Chain Forum. So we sit on there. They asked all the tier 1 contractors and large plant hire companies within the UK to sign a commitment pledge, a commitment charter, that they would start working towards greener plant and equipment in the construction sector. So that's a long-term commitment. By 2030, a percentage of all equipment will be battery, hydrogen or green in one way or another. What do we do between now and then? Do we just let people carry on burning fossil fuels, or is there something that we can do? So we joined up with the Supply Chain Forum, the Plant Sector Representative Organisation, Flannery's and Lynch, big plant hire companies. We said, what can we do now to help and support you? So we've created something called Eco Operator. It's available to plant operators, it's available to supervisors and managers of sites. So what we did, we launched Eco Operator, we started training people. We use telemetrics on machinery to measure the fuel efficiencies by delivering this training, and in 1 month, we saved 11% on fuel, so massive. If we can carry on doing that and repeat that and help with carbon zero, absolutely fantastic. But we're going to be based here, we're going to have an office here, we're going to be a strategic partner with CEME, and we want to develop qualifications for the future. Thank you.